Hello student, welcome to all of you. In this lesson which name is The Fun They Had, which is written by Isaac Asimov, and this story he throw lights on the and interesting aspects of technologies and the significance of technologies and other gadgets of computers that is going to set in future. And by this diagram, as you can see, what is the environment of schools, everything of our society. As in this area you can see school of the future, where a child is sitting and learning something on computer while a girl is studying in a virtual classrooms. There is no schools at all, and all the books and copies will be in the e-test. Even the place of teacher will be removed by a robotic teacher. So let's see what is the story of this lesson. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the pages headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Margie, the real character of this story, she is a 11 years old girl, and she is writing diary. And on the day 17 May 2157, when she was sit to write diary, she wrote the experience of her day, and it was Tommy found a real book. Means the topic of the content was Tommy found a real book. Now Margie writes in her letter the experience she got in that day. And Tommy was a 13 years old boy. He was living next to Margie's house, and one day Tommy found a real book, and that's why both the children, Margie and Tommy, were surprised, because they had never seen this sort of book as available in this day. And it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all the stories were printed on paper. Now, when Margie's reminded the books, she also recalled a story that was told by his grandfather, who said once he was a small child, his grandfather told him that they were used to study or read to the printed books and paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, and then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Now Margie is writing in her diary that the pages of the books were so crinkly, means so crushed, means it has been so crushed. ये काफ़ी मतलब कड़े हो चुके थे, येलोइश पेजेस हो गए थे. As you can see the meaning of the crinkly with folds या lines. And it was very funny to read this sort of books, because the words of the books were printed still. It was not moving as in the screen as Tommy and Margie's were actually used to, because Tommy and Margie's never seen this kind of books before, and they were not at all experienced of this kind of books in their life, because the study of their were happening on the moving screen. And then when they turned back to the pages before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it in the first time. And whenever they turn back the pages, the words same as it was before, while on the e-moving screen the words are moving, the words are shaking, and it is not as before as it happened to be. "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste when you are through with the book." You just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a billion books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Now, the experience of Tommy to take the printed book is that he found that it is not right. It is just a waste of the thing, because the after when you have completed the book, जब आप इस book को complete कर लेंगे तो you have to throw it out, तो आपको इसको फेंकना पड़ेगा. And this kind of experience did not liked by the Tommy, और टॉमी को ये एक्सपीरियंस बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. While when he comparing the प्रिंटेड बुक टू हिज ई मूविंग टेक्स्ट बुक, जब वो इस प्रिंटेड बुक को अपनी ई मूविंग टेली बुक से कंपेयर करता है, तो ही फाउंड दैट द टेलीविजन स्क्रीन मस्ट हैव हैड अ मिलियन बुक्स. तो ही थॉट दैट द टेली बुक्स इज मोर बेटर इन द कंपेरिजन ऑफ द प्रिंटेड बुक्स, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव टू थ्रो इट आउट, क्योंकि हमें इसको फेंकना नहीं पड़ता. एंड द टेलीविजन स्क्रीन या ई टेक्स्ट बुक इज हैव एबिलिटी to contain more than millions book, and we don't have to throw it out, और हमें इसे फेंकना भी नहीं पड़ता. Same with mine, said Margie. Now Margie also accept the reasons behind the books. She said, yes, I am also thinking so. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Now Margie was just 9 years old and she has not read as many books as Tommy had. While Tommy was at 13 years old, that's why he had read more than many books in the comparison of Margie. She said, where did you find it? Now Margie asked Tommy, where did you find this printed book? In my house, he pointed without looking, because he was busy reading in the attic. What's it about school? Now Margie asked Tommy, where did you find this book? Tommy answered, in my house, without pointing या without looking at the Margie. बिना Margie देखे वो क्या करता है, आंसर देता है. And he was still busy in reading the book, और वो बुक को पढ़ने में ही बिजी रहता है. And he also answered, वो ये भी बताता है कि I found this book in my home at the place in the attic. Now Margie asked again, what is the subject this book of? अब वो फिर से पूछती है कि इस बुक का सब्जेक्ट क्या है. On which subject this book has been written? Margie was scornful. Now when she heard school is the topic of this book, she making face and say, what? School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Now she express her views. What is there so important to write something on school? मतलब स्कूल के बारे में इतना इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है कि इस पर एक बुक लिखी जाए. And by the way, I don't like school at all. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. As Margie always hated school, but now in recently days she started hated it more than ever. हालांकि मार्गी को स्कूल बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं था, लेकिन कुछ दिनों से वो उसको कुछ और ज़्यादा ही डिसलाइक कर रही थी. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Now the mechanical teacher of Margie's, because there is no school at all and all the functions of the study were happening in the virtual rooms, and all this teaching work were done by the mechanical teacher. That's why the mechanical teacher of Margie's, the robotic teacher of Margie's was not functioning well. वो अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहा था. And he was taking text after test in the geography sector, और वो केवल geography के बुक्स का हमेशा वो टेस्ट लेता रहता था. And that's why Margie's was not performing very well in this way, और इस तरह से वो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रही थी. And that's why her mother had to come forward to look after this मैटर. इसीलिए उसकी माँ को आगे आना पड़ा कि व्हाट इज़ दिस मैनेजमेंट इन दिस आस्पेक्ट्स. एंड एट लास्ट आफ्टर बीइंग वेरी डाउन शी कॉल्ड द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर, और लास्ट में वो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को लाती है. दैट इज़ द मैकेनिक ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ मैकेनिकल मशीन.